Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Equifax credit monitoring, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Equifax credit monitoring, visit the official Equifax website. Locate the login or sign up section on the homepage. If you're a new user, click on the sign up button. If you already have an account, select the login option. For first-time users, enter your personal information as prompted. Provide your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Make sure to use the address that matches your credit report. Once you have filled in the required fields, click Next to proceed. You may then be asked to answer security questions for verification. These questions are based on your credit history and may include details about previous loans or accounts. Take your time to answer each question carefully. After answering the security questions, click Continue. The system will validate your identity and send a confirmation to your email if successful. If you're logging in, enter your email and password in the login fields. After entering your credentials, click Log In. Once logged in, access your dashboard to view your credit monitoring tools. If you need to upgrade your services, navigate to the subscription section. Select the plan that best suits your needs and follow the prompts to enroll. Review the terms and conditions before agreeing to the subscription. Finally, complete the payment process to finalize your subscription. You are now successfully authenticated with Equifax credit monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.